Hey guys, today's video we are going to talk about the Viper V-Spec, and basically we have one here with the standard AFX clip fixed onto it, and just wanted to go over what bodies that works with, because a lot of times people still to this day, this car's over 10 years old, they still learn that this works with the AFX like Super G Plus and some of the Auto World X Traction bodies. So I have a bunch of cars here, and I have a bunch of other bodies too, which, you know, we do have clips for the Tyco and Lifelike bodies, but this particular one that I grabbed out of the case, we are going to find, it is SKU 10100-A. That's the AFX clip version. We're going to just grab kind of an iconic, at least iconic to me. So this is the Super G Plus, the Tenoros body. We're gonna grab that, and we literally, it pops on exactly the same way. Now you have modern chassis with an old school favorite. This isn't the low clip, so we do have a low clip that lowers the body, that it looks really, really good. But yeah, I mean, that's as simple as it is. The clip actually too, it is interchangeable with the Tomy Super G Plus. So if you have a Indy version of the G Plus and you don't have a body clip, you definitely too can buy the Viper body clip. The AFX version, you could put a Tyco body on this car, and you also could put a Lifelike body on that car with the right clip. So a lot of people don't know that. That was why we made this video. We just wanted to show you. Let me see if there's another body in here. We'll pop this guy back on. But this kind of gives you some fun with a modern platform if you were afraid of breaking the chassis or any of the other parts. We'll use this one here. So this is a Mega G, short Mega G, okay? None of the long stuff works. But this is a Mega G short, and we'll get the clip back on here. I like to start with the clip on the car and then pop the body into it. Sits a lot higher on there. This one would definitely benefit from the low clip. But let's see, I think I have a stock car in there also. So if you like stock cars or NASCAR, there is quite a bit of those out there. I mean, you have, if you run the Lifelike clip, you can run the Lifelike bodies, T chassis or M chassis ones. And even if you have a Tyco clip, let's see, I don't have the Tyco NASCARs in that one. Maybe I don't have any right now, but they will work on there also. This is a Mega G Plus short, but it does have the old school style clip setup. The newer ones that don't use the body clip, those will not work on the Viper chassis, so that's something else to keep in mind. But a lot of these bodies are repurposed from AFX, so as you can see, looks pretty slick. Two, a little high, it's the standard clip. The low clip is the one that obviously is going to lower that thing down on there, but just wanted to share that with you guys. That way, you don't have to be afraid to run kind of your older stuff. Just beware, because of how much faster the car is, it could crash and damage your body. So if you have questions about that or want to run maybe a stronger magnet package, reach out to us and we'll kind of set you up with a good combo for that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. It's a short one. We'll see you later.